Captain, it's kinda like keeping us from entering too, dude.
Aye! That's why a good captain always comes prepared!
Hey, look, guys! Oh, there's a hole in the screen up ahead!
Yo-ho! Through the hole we go!
Whoa! Where are we now, Captain?
'Tis the separation tank, Bang. It's where the water is given time to settle. The heavy stuff sinks to the bottom, and the grease and oil float to the top. This prepares the tank for obstacle number 2. The machines.
What kind of machines are we talking about here?
Skimmers. They sweep across the water to remove grease and oil. Like those!
I don't think I like the skimmers!
Grab tight, Storybots!
Wow, we survived, man!
Quiet, Storybots! They're coming.
Who's coming?
Obstacle number 3. The beasts. Boat.